advertisement, first of all, caught my eye, and when I read more about it, it even got more interesting, particularly because it was a natural way to get younger looking skin, hopefully. I went through the process, and I'm more than pleased.
What were some of the areas of concern for you prior to your first treatment?
Well, it was mainly from like 3/4 down here. I felt like my forehead was in good shape, but things were beginning to sag, and it was time to do something, and I did not want to go under the knife, that's for sure. So this is a nice, easy way to accomplish what I think is going to happen.
Okay, what did you experience when you were in the chair during your procedure?
Well, it was an interesting experience. I didn't know what to expect, to be honest with you. I knew it was going to be laser. I did not know we were going to go inside the mouth. I knew we were going to do some needling. But I will have to say the procedure was certainly tolerable. I didn't experience any particular, if you call it discomfort or pain, if you will. There were a couple of times where the needles were inserted in a couple of areas that were tender, but again, very tolerable. So I can't wait for my second and third process.
Nice. Now it's been 1 week since your BioCare session. What are some of the things you've noticed the most in this 1 week?
How quickly I have healed. That is the amazing part. This side of my face was in really, really bad shape, and I was so worried about it. The first time I put on a mask over it, when I pulled the mask up, I pulled some skin with it because it was so tender, and it was bleeding, and I thought, oh, I've really done it now, and I almost gave you guys a call, but the bleeding stopped. There's no after effect. I was absolutely amazed at how well it's healed on this side of my face. And there's just a small amount of peeling for me, just some like scaly kind of thing. Itchy was another experience that I wasn't sure about, but I'm just amazed at how quickly and how tight my skin feels, and I feel like it looks really good. Hi, I'm Nancy, and I have had my 3 protocol series. I'm finished as of today. I can only tell you my experience has been incredible with Dr. Marone and my wonderful nurse, Cindy. They've been so kind and so gentle through this process. I will call the series that I went through tolerable, pain-wise. And I'm sure there's different tolerations of pain, but you're doing it for beauty, you're doing it for an end result, so bottom line, it's all worth it, and it's not very long. So if you experience some discomfort, then you can get through it because it doesn't last very long. I've just been really happy with the process from day 1 when it first happened. It was like, you don't know what's going to go on, but when you get through that first treatment, you kind of get an idea of what's happening, and your face doesn't look all that great, but you do thank everybody because it's going to be beautiful. And then the second treatment, so you're ready for that one. That one is probably the most difficult one, and I will myself say that, and other people have said that. I did have some facial issues because I had some precancerous areas, so mine was a little more difficult, and I'm on blood thinner medication, so that made it bleed a little bit more, so that was for my case only. Treatment number 3 was a breeze. Got the injections, and some of them were uncomfortable, but again, tolerable. So it's just a matter of how much you can tolerate some issues or pain, I'll call it. And I hate to even use that word, but anyway, I'm so thankful. My face is completely, well, not completely changed. I'm 72 years old, and I didn't want to look like a 30-year-old. I just want to look like a better version of myself. And that's what I've found, a better version of myself. So all of those issues that I was concerned with when I came in here, I'm very satisfied and very happy with the end results.